employer organization. So applications are going on, and it's open for 2 weeks up to the 14th of next month. That will be Valentine's Day. So we want just to remind our young people, if you haven't applied and you are not a beneficiary of business support, kindly run to your phone. It's zero rated. You don't need any airtime. You just need to charge your phone and then just dial *254# and follow the instruction. Then the second pathway is where we are, expanding youth employment opportunities through business. And this is the program that you've been seeing us go around the country. Of course, we have trained these young people. We are targeting to benefit at least over 100,000 young people across the country, a minimum of 70 in each and every ward, and of course a maximum of 84. So we have so far trained these young people, and now we are disbursing for them the 50% of their setup capital, which is 25,000. 3,000 is going for their savings. 22,000 is what they will go back home with, and it's being disbursed through their Pochi la Biashara. So then they can start putting the plans. You know, when they were undergoing the training, they were coming up with the business plans. And now what they're waiting for is just startup capital to boost them so that then they can start off. From there, they're going to go for a mentorship period of 2 months, then come back for a classroom training of 3 days, where now they get linked up to businesses, to market, to enhanced financing, and even enhanced capacity building. And then after that, we disburse to them the final tranche of 25,000, and they go again to the second session of mentorship for 2 months. So we are going to work with these young people for a period of 6 months to make sure that they settle properly into businesses. And then thereafter, now we can bring them into the ecosystem and link them up to existing initiatives. Like, for example, in our ministry, we have so much happening. We have Uwezo Fund, we have Women Enterprise Fund in the MSME sector, we have Youth Enterprise Fund. And by the time now they are to grow the catalytic fund support, they'll be much more competitive to go outside there and even access credit to the tune of millions to do businesses that can enable them thrive and become our next generation of industrialists in this country.